How to transfer Solana from Binance to Web3 wallets. So in this video, I'll show you how to send Solana from Binance to Web3 wallets. After you open the Binance app, now go to the Web3 wallet. So after you come to the Web3 wallet, just tap on this asset button. If you come to this asset section, so under the asset section, now go to this receipt button. So from this receipt, so in this option now, all you have to do now to go ahead and choose. So from the receipt section, now tap on this receipt tokens from Binance Exchanger. So tap on this one. So from this list, now it will give you all the list of currently coin that you are holding in your Binance Exchanger. So for now, I don't have any Solana on my Binance Exchanger. That's why it's not giving me Solana. But if you have the Solana on your Binance Exchanger, it will give you the list of Solana and list of the all coin you are currently holding. So here is all my balance from my Binance Exchanger. Just go and select the Solana from the list. For me now, I don't have the Solana. I'll use like BTC for an example. So I'll just so let's say here is the Solana. After you select the Solana like this, go and select the network. After you select the network like this, now tap on continue button. So go to confirm again. So from this option now, here is my address and here is the network. So go and specify the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Let's say you want to transfer like 5 Solana. After you type in the amount in this option, tap on this withdraw. From there, the Solana will be sent into your Binance Web3 wallet. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.